Behind me is the majestic Caribbean Sea, and I'm at this lovely property called Sea Cliff Resort. It's located in Portland and it's closer to the St. Thomas end. Anyway, we talk to the proprietor. Brent, what one?
Oh, yes, sir, man.
Yes. Yo, Brent, a long time this should have
Yes, man, long time, not before it's time. You know?
Last time I was here, right? How many rooms did you have?
We had about 20 rooms.
Yeah, how many you have now?
25 and counting.
Really?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah,
Oh my goodness. I've always loved how this building is because it stands out, like, especially when you're looking at it from a far distance, don't it?
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely.
And you still have your hammocks and everything.
Still have those.
So this is the main building.
That is the main building.
Okay then.
Absolutely.
When you expanded, where did you expand to?
Well, after we built the 15 bedroom apartment style building, we decided, which is the original, we decided to branch off of that and transition into villa style accommodations.
Okay, and by the way, Bretton, you have massage bay and body scrub bay too.
Yes, those were added. Those were added.
I know. I never said that last time, right? Never said that last time. So yeah, say have your villa style place them now. That's mostly for family though, right?
I wouldn't necessarily say family. It's more catered towards couples, honeymoon couples, you know, that kind of vibe. They want the exclusivity. They want the privacy. And those rooms carry more amenities.
Okay.
So I guess we can go into detail more on that.
Yeah, we're definitely going to go into those rooms. So let me ask, you know, this your pool area. Is it open to the public?
No, we don't open the pool area to the public.
Okay then. So if somebody want to have a birthday party, can they have it here? And how would that work?
How we normally treat that is if there are no guests on property, then we'll make an exception in terms of renting the space to
but nothing to
outsiders.
Okay, but not to really inconvenience the guests. Then.
Nothing to inconvenience the guests.
Now, for someone who would normally stay at an all-inclusive on the North Coast, right? What's the difference in terms of experience when they come to a hotel in Portland or St. Thomas per se?
Well, with all-inclusives, as you know, majority of the all-inclusives, they're always littered with people, right? And some persons don't necessarily want to have that type of vibe, right? They want them space, they want them exclusivity, they want
and this is more laid back too, don't it?
Way more laid back. That's what they want. I mean, you can even go to all-inclusive and still be laid back, you get me? I mean, you can go over to your corner and